All right, we are in step 1 of creating the marquee numbers for the birthday photo shoot. As you can see, I have the top part laid out here. I'm just starting to tape the pages together, and then I'll cut it out. And so whenever I have it all taped together, I'll come back and show you as I cut it out. Okay, so it's been about, I'd say, an hour, and I finished cutting out and taping the templates together. I'm really glad to see that they came out to be about the same size, which I was really worried about that because I did this myself. A lot of the videos on YouTube, like the people who have their templates are selling them, and I was like, yeah, I'm not paying anybody for this. I can figure it out, and I did. So if you're out there and you're trying to make marquee letters, don't pay anybody for the template. If you know how to use Word and PDF, it's simple. You can figure it out yourself. Just make sure that you have the right size numbers for both. Right size numbers for each digit. Okay, so here I've taken 3 foam poster boards and taped the seams together. I bought the wrong tape, so that was a whole nother ridiculous hassle. I ended up buying some weird double-sided tape, but anyway, that's beside the point. So I've taped both sides of the seam, the front and the back. And this is what poster board I used. It is the Elmer's 20 by 28 inch foam board. So yeah, I've taped them together. So here I have laid the template, and I'm just going to trace it and use my very sharp X-Acto knife to cut it out. All right, so this is what I have done so far. What I decided to do was cut out a 6-inch border for the foam board walls of the number. I haven't finished that part yet. But this is what I have so far. The numbers are about, I don't know, I would say 4 feet tall. That's the 6 without the borders. I haven't gotten to that yet. But yeah, they're about 6 feet tall for record. Just so you can see how tall it is. I'm 5'2", so yeah, I would say this is about 4 feet tall. Number 2 is finished. As you can see, all of the lights are in. It's a mess in here, don't pay attention to that. I've just poked all of the holes in number 6. I'm not gonna really go into depth on how I did each step. So here I'm just taking the light bulb off the ring lights, pop the bottom through, and then screw the light bulb back on. So on and so forth. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. Yeah, so this is the finished product with the lights plugged in. And yeah, hopefully the photo shoot goes well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Please like the video, subscribe for more content. I will be having a photo shoot tomorrow, and I may vlog that. So yeah.